If today is the first time here, hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena and welcome to my channel. So I'm going to share with you how to make donuts with your air fryer. You are going to fall in love with it, trust me. My returning subscribers, I do appreciate your time here. Just look at that softness and the fluffiness. I'm very sure you feel like taking some tea or chilled soya milk. Yeah, that is just by the way. So without wasting much of your time, I have 1.5 cups of milk. I added a tablespoon of sugar, then a tablespoon of yeast. I'll go ahead and mix it very well. My milk is warm, and after mixing it, I'll place it in a warm place for 10 minutes. Before that, I have my dry ingredients here. That is 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 whole nutmeg with a pinch of salt. So I'm mixing it very well. After that, I'm going to add some cinnamon. You can actually try to omit it, or either you do this or the nutmeg, okay? But I'm going to use the two. I want extra flavor. So I mix it very well. Then I'll be bringing the wet ingredients and add this to the wet ingredients. So I've added my vanilla extract to the yeast and the milk, and I'll go ahead and add the dry ingredients, mix it very well till I form the dough. If you've watched me till this point and you haven't subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Can you please smash on the red button and the bell icon? That says all, so that when we upload new videos, you'll be updated. Also, I have a Facebook page that is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Follow me, and please, I will be very grateful for that. So we are trying to form the dough here, and I will show you how it looks after 4 minutes. Then we proceed. Please do not forget to follow me on Instagram at lovely_mina_1992. Oh my goodness, you are going to love there as well, and I will be very grateful to see you there. Thank you very much. So now the dough is formed, and I'm going to add my butter. Okay, so that is about 4 tablespoons of butter. So I'm going to knead the dough till it becomes soft. Okay, if the dough is very hard, you have to make sure you knead it for a longer time before it becomes soft. But this one, it was soft already, so I spent less time on it, and it was just about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, and after that, I covered it for 30 minutes to increase in size, and here we are now. I'm going to divide it into the pieces that I want. So it seems I got 12 pieces. Just divide it any size that you want. Okay, thank you very much, and I hope you are still with me. If you are still with me and you haven't subscribed, can you please smash on the red button and the bell icon for more updates, and I'll be very happy for that. So please, you can shape it anyhow that you want, okay, as I said earlier. So I will leave you here to enjoy the rest of the video. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching, and I do appreciate your time. Just look at that beautiful outcome. This actually was very delicious, extremely delicious. I didn't know I would get this perfect outcome, so I was so proud of myself. This is actually the first thing I used my air fryer to prepare, and I was very happy about it. Since then, I have fallen in love with my air fryer. Yes, so thank you very much. Until I come your way next time, always remember, I love you. Take good care of yourself, and please do not forget to like, comment, share. Follow me on Facebook for more updates, and I'll be very grateful. Thank you, and see you in the next one. Bye. Thank you.